Your home is your sanctuary, a place to stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Let's talk about your air conditioning and heat pump systems, the unsung heroes behind your home's comfort. First up, air conditioners. They're designed to cool your home by pulling in warm air, cooling it, then sending it back out. But did you know that heat pumps do double duty? They cool your home in the summer just like an AC, but when winter rolls around, they reverse the process to heat your home. Understanding how these systems work keep your home comfortable and your energy bills in check. Knowing your system means you can optimize it for energy efficiency, maintain consistent comfort, even extend the lifespan of your equipment. Regular maintenance is key. Clean your filters, keep the outdoor unit clear of debris, and don't forget about those annual inspections.
You can book online at www.highpoint.pro or by calling our friendly office staff in the Kootenays at 250-426-5352 or in Calgary at 403-460-5846.